Welcome back, of course. I see the Good Morning Naija show, and of course, on a Friday in our hair entertainment, they follow back to back to back. We get one better celebrity inside studio here with us today. By the time you say she they come, I don't even know if I want even first one talk says. At the time you say, na cast of my mind just go cast of the breaded life. So that person went feature for the show. Now I say okay, if not be, I don't tell you how I take describe you. But she did here. If you not see her, I'm not going to know who they talk. Now, Bimbo herself. What's up? Hi. Bimbo, what's going to happen now? Why you can't carry this one block face now? We want to see your beautiful eyes. Bimbo, what's going to happen?
Hello.
Allow the beauty to shine through now. See person wearing clean from face reach down. What's going on? I said just like you carry face wipe, clear all the blemishes before you enter here. Bimbo, as I just look, you don't even know how we want to take start because I just see the promo for the bread. Like, I say, gosh, nobody's gonna carry that small condo for that very last scene. And I boast everybody brain put.
My sister, you have to protect yourself.
But you know, say clearly, we could definitely see the clip of this particular movie. But you know, clearly. Me, I don't already see you, of course, with the roles that you don't take. You don't take very English professional roles. Your switch up, they bad. When you do Bami, clearly I've been see that. I said, now you be this. Don't forget the tribal mark first day. Now the mannerism, you know, you go believe in this same person. Now she they drop, I mean, a ruffian, I mean, one follow. So that once say you they sell bread. Now I say, now her natural habitats, now I put on so everly it go brutal. And when I really need to see this clip to really understand where they come from. Me first, yeah.
All right.
They're not sure my favorite parts. They're not sure. Now, for seeing where she carry bread for her, but just talk me through this particular movie. What do you make of it and the storyline? When I saw Timini there, I said to myself, it's almost like that same thing of the spoilt kid. You know, where person see for that elevator baby matter.
Right.
But he gets as this one can't take spin go.
Absolutely,
What's be your take?
Timini came on this one in a different light. Like you said, it's almost similar to something he has done, but it's actually very different because Timini actually went from glam to sham, like to the bottom of the barrel, and the way he put on that character, because Timini in real life is a baby boy, so the way he put on that character to like become somebody from the hood, from the streets, it was just phenomenal.
All right. And then for you, of course, I don't want to ask you that normal question. They go talk, say, how difficult was it to go into this role? But what did you enjoy really for this particular, to play this role?
I think my favorite part would be my accent, the Egun accent. It was challenged. That was the first time. Well, okay, apart from the challenging accent from looking for Bami, this one actually made me scared to the point where I had to hire a tutor on set to come teach me. Shout out to I think her name is Elizabeth. Yes, Elizabeth. Because okay, so when they told me I was going to be playing a bread seller, I'm like, come on now, that's normal. I grew up in the hood. I'm from Ebutemeta. Like there, all those people around there. But then she dropped the bomb and like the bread seller is Egun. I'm like, no, it's beans people that are Egun. How do you? She said, you're going to do it. So I remember growing up, Iya Bernard used to sell Ewa going, and then she had a partner who was selling bread. So I'm like, partner was Yoruba, but Iya Bernard was Egun, but she sold beans. So what do? I swapped the character, Iya Bernard's accent and the bread seller's mannerism, and that was how Toluwede came to life.
Amazing.
So
as long they talk and I say she speak Egun, I can't wonder. I want her to say, but not verse. So pidgin not in your mouth. I should just sit down here since just they speak for let they go.
It did my mouth, so
what's happen? As the matter won't take be, but what will be your biggest takeaway really from this movie and the storyline? And also, of course, Bimbo Stephen rather, her films they always carry one kind.
Queen, queen.
Her message they always very clear. Yes, even when it comes to comedy and all that. But what you want make people take away at the end of the day when they don't see this movie?
honor thy father and thy mother, so that thy days may be long.
May I not carry you go job it.
Carry you
Go job it side.
Go back and
go do apprentice agbero.
You know, like the moral. It feels like say they cliche, but it's just honor thy parents because you never can tell. Although the thing when I like pass for the film, they say not be the end when I expect. Now the film gets. Or I will guys go watch out because if I tell you, I will guys kill you. You don't
let cinema now.
You don't let cinema today from 12:30.
From 12:30.
All cinemas.
And so we'll rush there.
Different
so go see RCB. Before we go let you go about non-veg, we'll just try to sell that small bread. For that egume we hear and for the accent. People for the say, wait won't be down on it. Cannot be just to sell bread. Buy bready.
Olo community toro wero sowero momenta bledi. Bledi ele lepera. Te bara mungwa oro milo sister ma mufero wo film breaded life. Sweet butter bread.
And they tell you, I want to hear that sound. No one say bread, no hungry you. No one say bread, no hungry. It's really an honor to have you here on the show. Edewo, when you smoke, when they hear that sweet butter bread, how you they do you that?
The matter they sweet me when I hear that sweet butter bread. But this one way Bimbo do today shocked me. I never expected it. He says sweet butter. He just carry me go back. It's soft.
Now the beginning when she begin to do that, I say, who be that?
Because
who be that?
she get profile before she drop the sweet butter bread.
So she not be the regular bread seller.
At all.
RCB, of course.
Sense.
Now movie to really look out for. Drop us your, Instagram handle. People will also follow. So they will drop their comments so they don't watch on today.
Bimbo Ademoye on Instagram.
Okay. Amazing. Now, they just did very simple. Now she won't cover. She inside only Sunday, of course, for me across all social media handles. Edewo, carry
yes,
go.
so at Edewo10. Follow me on top social media and also follow at Wazobia Max TV. Also, make we keep the matter going on. Maybe I give you sweet butter bread on top my page. We'll see you. Can I get a lovely weekend? All right.